Welcome to the Chic Show. Today I have some scrap fabric ideas for spring. I'm going to be making an Easter pillow cover. I'm going to be using this pillow from Target and some drop cloth that I got at Harbor Freight. I'm making an envelope style pillow so that I can remove the cover easily. I started by making sure my fabric was inside out, and I measured it the way I wanted it, and then I used hot glue to glue the edges and then turned it back right side out. You definitely want to wait till the hot glue is completely dry, and you could totally sew this if you wanted to. And you also want to get in those corners really well so that each corner is sticking out fully. Now I want to use some of these felt carrot stickers from Dollar Tree, but I'm also going to be using some jute twine. So I'm just arranging the carrots on here kind of the way I want them, and then I will glue on the jute twine. I'm doing a rough estimate here on how much jute twine I need. I wanted the twine to kind of look like it was weaving in and out of the carrots, so I'm alternating the direction of the loops, and then I will hot glue them on. Once I have the twine glued on, I made that last loop and I tied a knot and hot glued it in place. Also went back around and secured the rest of the twine in various places. Now I'm ready to place those stickers on. The adhesive on these stickers is really good, so I'm going to be just using that, no hot glue. I would not wash this pillowcase, but I don't think it will be handled much, so I don't anticipate that it will get dirty. Once I put my pillow insert inside, this is the perfect little Easter pillow using scrap fabric. Next, I'm making some small fabric mini pillows for a tiered tray or as a bowl filler. I've made both of these approximately the same size, and I have them turned wrong side out. I'm going to be hot gluing these together and then flipping them. We're going to hot glue along the edges, leaving one edge open for stuffing later. Once the hot glue has completely cooled, I'm turning the fabric inside out. I'm turning that raw edge in towards the center so that we'll have a nice finished edge. You could iron it if you wanted to. Before I stuff the pillow, I am going to add some embellishments. These are again some of the Dollar Tree felt stickers, and I'm going to be placing them so that it looks like the bunny is behind the egg and holding on to the egg. So I'm going to trim the bunny's head just a little bit so that I get that perfect scene. Once I'm ready, I'm going to remove the backing of the stickers and place them on the pillow. To repeat the process for the other pillow. I'm using some polyfill just to fill the pillows, and then I will hot glue in sections. And repeat for the other pillow. A happy little scrap fabric idea for spring. Project number 3 are fabric flowers. I used a small bowl as a pattern and traced around it on my fabric. Once I have all 3 circles cut out, I'm going to be cutting around the edge, making a spiral all the way to the center, leaving a little circle in the middle to hot glue to at the end. Now I'm going to start at the outer edge, and I'm simply going to roll the fabric all the way to the center. When we get to that center circle, we're going to hot glue the flower to that center circle to hold everything together. It's the perfect little pink rosebud. Now on with the other fabrics. This time I'm giving the fabric a twist every so often. This just gives the flower edges a little bit different look. And now on with the third flower. I'm going to embellish this simple heart sign from Dollar Tree with some felt leaves that I cut out and our fabric flowers. Comments below, let me know what you think about these scrap fabric ideas for spring. Project number 4 is a simple fabric tassel. I chose some coordinating colored fabrics and I cut them all into long strips. I actually made a cut and then I ripped the rest of the way. Once I had all my fabric strips cut, I separated them, and then I kept 2 pieces and set them aside to tie the tassel together. So now I'm gathering them all together. I'm going to place 1 piece of fabric in the middle and tie the strips together. Now I'm doubling the fabric back up, and I'm taking that second piece and I'm going to tie it around the top to make a knot. And I apologize, I know I am out of camera range right now, but you can kind of see what I'm doing. You also want to go ahead and trim off any uneven edges as well. This is the perfect little spring tassel to add to any gift package or just your home decor. I hope you've enjoyed these scrap fabric ideas to enhance your home for spring. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to share the chic. Bye now.